Just a couple of quick travel tips for you. If you are driving, the app called WAZE, W-A-Z-E, has been super helpful for me, and especially because it notifies you if cops are ahead. So it's a very communal kind of app. People, if there's something in the roads, you can drop a little button. You can push a button that says, object in roads, and then you get notified, or the people behind you get notified that there's something in the road. There was a ladder in the road once. That's a big deal. And I get notified about cops all the time. And when you look at your route, so say you're going a long distance, you can see the lineup of cops, where they are. It's pretty cool. It's pretty helpful. There's also another feature on there that you got to go into the settings somewhere, but you can make it so that when you're going 10 miles an hour over the speed limit, it beeps at you. Just a one little beep. It just lets you know, hey, you're going 10 over. And you can adjust your settings. You can go to at the speed limit, or 5 over, 15 over, or whatever you want, I think. But it's been super helpful. Don't give anyone a reason to fuck with you. Keep your headlights on. Don't speed. If you have shit in your car that you shouldn't have in your car, because the government thinks that they should have some say over what we can and can't do. If a cop ever asks you, can I search the car, just say no. That's all you gotta do. Just say no. People literally trap themselves with their language. There's no reason why. Whatever his thought is on it, if someone asks you, can I, just say, no, I don't think so. I got a lot I gotta do, and you're not gonna find anything anyway, so you'd be wasting both of our time. Maybe I wouldn't say you'd be wasting both of our time, but yeah, just a couple things that I wanted to throw out there.